Hey friend, are you looking to make more money with ClickBank affiliate marketing and want to know, hey, how can you get more traffic to your ClickBank offers with Reddit? Well, hey, in this exciting episode today, we're going to do a ClickBank Reddit tutorial, all right? In fact, I'm going to share with you how I believe you can make money online up to $100 per day, and maybe even more with Reddit, all right? With Reddit, all right? Step by step. So that's what we're going to talk about today. So hey, if you're new to this channel, then hey, my name is Chris from Njigha.com, and this channel is all about empowering you, the home business entrepreneur, with the mindset and the online skill sets to get results, make money, drive breakthroughs, and live the choice lifestyle you deserve, right? So if you like reviews, tutorials like this on making money online, passive income, online business, then hey, definitely give the video a like, consider subscribing to the channel, and go ahead and smash that bell too, because you'll be notified whenever I drop new videos, which is pretty much almost daily. Okay, so this is a ClickBank and Reddit tutorial. Like I said, once again, how to make money online, $100 per day with Reddit step by step. Now, just in case before we get started, hey, I just want to share with you that hey, I have been making some money online. For example, this is my Stripe account here, showing some payments, and this is one of my other accounts actually from a previous promotion that I did earlier a few months back. So I made some sales here, and also on ClickBank as well. So I promote some ClickBank products, but not as many, and I'll share with you why in a bit second. But I have made a few sales here, so it's not like life-altering money, but I know the concept and how it works. All right. So let's get started with it, all right? So the first thing is ClickBank, all right? So if you're not familiar, I just kind of showed it to you. ClickBank is an affiliate marketing network where you can find all kinds of products, all kinds of things that you want to promote, all right? Now, keep in mind, ClickBank is one of those places where there's not a lot of quality products, but there are some that are high quality that you can definitely take advantage of and make money with. Now, when it comes to getting traffic to make money with it, Reddit is a great place that you can actually start to get some good quality traffic. Why? Well, because on Reddit, if you don't know, it's an American. This is like, you know, the definition from Wikipedia. Yes, so Wikipedia says it's an American social news aggregation and web content rating and discussion website, right? So if you've been to Reddit before, right, you know what it kind of looks like. And so I'm gonna show it to you a little bit later in more detail, right? But it's basically a place where people come together with a bunch of different interests, right? And those different interests are called subreddits, and those are basically different groups, basically with different interests, right? So what's really nice about it is that you can target people for a specific niche that you're looking for based on the subreddits that they're in, because obviously they wouldn't be in that subreddit discussing things and leaving comments on things if they weren't interested in that particular topic. So that's what makes Reddit pretty cool, and there's a lot of high quality traffic that you can get from there. And the whole idea is to use Reddit to help rank or get traffic to your content, which then will take people from your content to your solution or to the product or whatever it is that you are promoting. All right. And so just a quick disclaimer before we get started, I do want to share with you that if you ask, for me, social media is not my favorite thing. As a matter of fact, I hate social media. I kind of don't like it. You know, I don't like posting on Facebook. I don't like posting on Instagram. I hate all that shit. I'm going to be honest with you, right? But I do some of it because there is a certain component of it that's required for business. Like I like posting content, video content like this that's helpful for people. So you will find me on YouTube, for example. But social media is not my favorite thing. And in addition, it's not my favorite thing when it comes to building a business either. So I'm not the kind of person that's going to be like using social media to, like, you know, build a following and all that stuff like that. That's not my style, all right? So just so you know, what I'm going to share with you is what I've discovered is some of the strategies that some people are using to make this work for them, to make money on ClickBank up to $100 per day, and even more using the strategies that I'm going to share with you right now, step by step. You can utilize them. So just a disclaimer, just so you know, I'm not utilizing them. I have used Reddit in the past, but I really don't use it now. I'm more of a paid, I've kind of gone from social free marketing strategies, which is what this is. If you don't have money, this works great, all the way up to, like, you know, more paid, and to like kind of just doing my own content. And so that's kind of how I've my own services and products. And so that's kind of how I've elevated. And I just feel like paid ads is just a better way to do it. But if you don't have money, this is definitely a great way to do it. I'm going to show you what I've discovered is a great way to help you do that. All right. So step one starts off with choosing a niche or product. All right. So you do kind of have to figure out what you're going to promote. Ideally, you have a brand. Ideally, you promote you do something, right? Three top place niches would be health and wellness, right? Wealth and money, and then relationships. So maybe your brand is around one of those three things, and you choose a product around that. So if you go to ClickBank, for example, you can go to the let's go back. So if you go to ClickBank, for example, you can come here and you can go to their affiliate marketplace, and you can see that there's a lot of different categories of things that you can use. You can check out. Here's your health and fitness stuff here. Here's your wealth, e-business, and e-marketing stuff. And then I believe there's some stuff for like self-help and for relationships and things like that. And you can pick a product. So for me, my stuff is making money online, affiliate marketing, things like that. So I can choose one of these products around here that will be helpful. Once again, like I said, ClickBank is full of garbage products, but there are some that are of high quality, high value that you can check out. For example, Commission Hero right here is a very high quality product. So if you wanted to promote it, you can do that, grab your affiliate links, and you'll be good to go. Now, next step after that, step 2 is to create valuable content, all right, around it. So here's the thing, valuable content can be one of three things. That can be blog posts, that can be YouTube videos, and that can be podcasts. Those are one of three, those are your highest quality pieces of content, and your idea is to take your affiliate link and package it within this valuable piece of content, and then that's what you promote on Reddit, okay? Because if you take the affiliate link and try to post it on Reddit, you will fail. That will not work, okay? I'm just telling you up front. You have to deliver value to the marketplace first, and that's how Reddit really is, and most of these social media sites, that's how people are in general. You're not gonna get a lot of clicks if you don't provide value first. So answer questions. What is it people are struggling with between, let's say we looked at this product just now, this is Commission Here. People wanna learn how to use Facebook ads to make money on ClickBank. Then you answer a question, you do something about that in a piece of content, and then wrap it around it, or your product at the end of it, and that's what you're going to use to promote on Reddit. The next step up after that is creating a profile on Reddit, which is pretty simple, right? You just go on Reddit. Like I said, you can go on Reddit. Here, I've kind of created my profile here. I go to my profile. You can kind of see I've made a few posts here and there. And it's really simple to do. You just create one, and then you're good to go, all right? Some of the tips and tricks I've heard is that you can, if you're doing where you're promoting a very specific product, you can actually make the username the main keyword of the product that you're trying to promote, all right? So, and then the other thing too is you can also add a profile picture to your profile, because that will help increase authority on your Reddit profile. And then step 4 after that is to utilize one of two strategies, all right, in order to use Reddit as your traffic. So remember, what we've done now is we've chosen a product and around the niche that we want to promote. We've created a valuable piece of content to encase that affiliate link with, right? And now we're going to deploy that valuable piece of content to a traffic source where there's eyeballs, where there are people looking for it, right? And that's what Reddit is. And we're going to use one or two strategies to do that. Now, these two strategies are some of the ones that I picked up from some people who are making a whole lot of money with this and has worked for them. So you can pick one or two. They all have advantages and disadvantages. We'll talk about them. So essentially, strategy 1 is that you can post 100-word text post on your profile, and then boost your profile on the post with backlinks. So essentially what that means is that, hey, you're on your profile here, and let's say you want to create a new post. You can come up here where it says create post. You click on that, and then you can create, a post here that will just be posted on your profile, all right? It won't go into a subreddit, which is a different strategy altogether, all right? And then you can just do that. So for example, if I go to my YouTube channel here, and let's say I want to take this this video here with 10 online business ideas easy to start, and I want to talk about, let's get the link to that one here. I get the link to that video here, and that's it right here. I copy that, I come back over here, and you remember we said it's got to be a 100-word post. So you don't want to put the link. You want to type some stuff about about something. All right. With these 10 strategies or whatever, right? And you're just gonna type a bunch of stuff, and then you can, in the end, you can say post your link in there, And what I've heard is that you just also don't want to include this HTTPS on there. You kind of just want to leave it like this, and then say, hey, if you want more info on this, check out this video I did on great ways to make money online, right? People then will click on this video. They'll go to this video here to check it out, and then you'll have in the link in your description the link to your ClickBank product. You see how that works? Or this could be a blog post, or this could be a podcast, although I'm not really quite sure exactly how that would work, but it's probably easier. The easiest I can tell you is probably a YouTube video, right? And then second after that would be a blog post. And essentially that's how it would work, right? So you could do something like that and then boost your profile and the post with backlinks to give it more juice to Reddit. And the best way to do that would be to just go to Fiverr. And I can't give you any recommendations on good gigs, but just go in there and type in, backlinks or whatever, Web 2.0 backlinks, and then just, what do you call it? Kind of filter them out based on rank ratings and who's got the best ratings. So that's what I would recommend from there. Then strategy 2 is a little bit more, it's going to be more effective, but will require more work. And what that is commenting on related posts with value, with or without your link in subreddits. All right. So what you would do then instead is you could come, instead of doing this, let's say I don't want to do this and I just want to go to home. I'm going to discard the post and I can come here and say, hey, I want to look and see some various different, posts that are happening in these different various subreddits. And I could just filter it for the most hot ones. And for me, if you look at some of my communities, I'm in things like affiliate marketing, entrepreneur, financial independence, law of attraction, passive income, personal finance, right? Things like that, work online and stuff like that. So that's what the kind of stuff that I'm going to see. So I might find a post here that says, hey, the media is saying people are living longer nowadays, so you should expect to fund a very long retirement. Is this really true? No, this might be related somewhat to what I'm talking about. Let's say in this example, we're using this ClickBank product about how to make money on ClickBank with Facebook ads. Hey, that could be related to, hey, becoming more financially independent, right? So you could do something like that. If we clicked on that, that take me here inside the post. And so what you could do is then comment here, right? You can give a comment about what he's talking about here, and then you could leave a link the same way, hey, I just, you want more information, check this out right here, da 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 da. And then what else? Then you can message and follow the post maker, right? So the person here, so you can come up here and you can actually see his name is Killing Time. You could follow him, and the idea is that hopefully he'll follow you back, and then you'll start to gain more followers on Reddit, and then you could submit new text posts yourself with links in the subreddit as well, right? And so that's basically the same thing here. You can just kind of create, basically, let's see, you could basically go back to where we were here before, create a post, and then instead of creating a post just to post on your profile, you can then post that in a subreddit. All right, and so those are some of the strategies that are available there. The one thing I will tell you though is that strategy number 1, it seems pretty nice. It only works if you have some followers, right? If you got no followers, nobody's gonna see your posts, right? For example, like if I just go back to my profile, I don't think anybody has seen these. Well, that's because I don't really have any followers, right? And to get the followers, you have to be very active on the profile. And then with strategy number 2, this requires just being, once again, being really active on the profile, right? I mean, one guy recommended that you at least comment 20 posts per day, right? Message and follow 20 post makers per day. Submit 2 to 3 new text posts per day, right? So this is how you're building this following. You're building this this profile on the platform, and in order to play the platform game for free, you gotta give a lot of your time to the platform. And so that's just something to consider, right? You got to be careful with posting your links as well. A lot of these, Reddit is really big on trying to prevent spamming. And so spam, you putting your link out there straight up, that's considered spamming and taking from the community. You just giving comments and valuable information, that's considered giving to the community. So you have to do a lot more giving before you can start taking. Otherwise, you might get banned, right? If you don't follow the rules, right? So that's just something to consider from them. And then step 5, well, we kind of rinse and repeat, all right? So it really comes down to continuously creating content, and the big deal here, consistency. The strategy doesn't work if you're not consistent. You have to consistently be messaging, you have to consistently be commenting and contributing to the community, contributing to the discussions, and if you're not, it's going to be pretty tough. You also need to continuously be creating content that's promoting your offers from ClickBank. Otherwise, you're not going to be making a whole lot of money, all right? Something to consider, though, is that a lot of this stuff that I just talked about can be outsourced, or you can pay someone to go on there and comment in 20 different related posts, message and follow 20 different people, post 2 to 3 posts about one of your videos in different subreddit groups. You can pay someone to do that, which if you're gonna do it, that'd be my recommendation, because I believe your time is so much more valuable. But like I said, if you don't have money, but you do have time, then this is probably your best bet to go to start off with. Also, you can consider paid ads, right? I don't know how the paid ads work, so I'm not even gonna tell you to try to act like I know. But I do know that, for example, if you go to, like, if we just went to the homepage, you can see that there are people, like, there's people on here advertising, like this right here, promoted. You see, that's an advertisement, right? Just in case you can't see it, that when it says promoted there, that's an advertisement. So people are making money there, right? People are making money and they're paying to get stuff in front of you. So that's something to consider too. But that's it, my friend. I hope this was helpful. These are some of the strategies, step-by-step strategies that I learned in this, that can help you make more money, up to $100 per day, and even more in a lot of cases with ClickBank using Reddit. All right. So hope this tutorial was helpful. Gave you some ideas, gave you some places, some things to consider for your ClickBank affiliate marketing strategies and promotions. If you did, got some ideas, hey, definitely give the video a like. Consider subscribing to the channel up here. Hey, if you want to check out more videos on how you can start using ClickBank to make more money online, then hey, I think you'll like this tutorial video right here too. So till the next exciting episode, my friend, be blessed, stay hungry. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.